What is up, everybody? It's your boy Brando here with Brando Reviews, and today we are checking out this ArtLii smart projector. This is called the ArtLii Play, and has a lot of cool features. So it's $270 on Amazon. I do believe they have like a $50 to $80 off coupon code sometimes, but right now it's $269.99. And this is the smart projector right here. So we're going to be unboxing it and doing a live test of it on a screen to see how the quality looks. But probably the coolest feature of this is it basically has a built-in Android TV or an Android box. So you can watch your Netflix, everything directly on here. You can Apple Play or AirPlay from your iPhone or your Android phone with miracast and lots of other cool features. It's basically an Android tablet built into the projector right here. Pretty cool, honestly, that it has all these different features for the price. It's a 1080p tablet. It has keystone correction to get the correct angle on the wall. You can mount it on the wall too. You can also set it down on a table. It's pretty chunky, so it has, I think, two 5-watt speakers built into it. The speaker's housing itself is designed in a way that it echoes the sound really nice, so it has pretty good speakers for an all-in-one unit. And let's see if there's any other cool features here. It's Android TV 9.0. So I believe that's pretty new. It also has Bluetooth Wi-Fi, as we said, so you can sync your iPhone or your Android to this and just stream whatever you're watching directly to it. There's an app on here for that. I believe it's the ArtLii app. 1080p, 140 ANSI lumen brightness, and 6,000 to 1 contrast ratio. And Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, you can download any app you want, really. And you can connect this to other speakers, other Bluetooth speakers too. So if you want to have a surround sound made of only Bluetooth speakers, you can do that. Or connect it to like a Bluetooth home surround system. That should work too. Wireless Wi-Fi phone screen mirroring through the ArtLii Play app. 50,000 hour LED lifetime, 2 HDMIs, 2 USBs, an SD, and an AV port. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to unbox it, see what all it comes with, see the quality of the actual projector itself, and then we'll hook it up to a screen and see what we got. Here it is. We're just going to go ahead and unbox it now. We already talked about most of the cool features that it has, so not much else to do besides pop the box open. So first thing on top here is you get the instruction manual. She's extremely thick, probably multiple different languages in here, and it just tells you how to set it up and everything. We're going to try to do without that. And the only other thing in here is the projector itself right here. Oh no. Here's our projector, and we have a little box down here. So here's our box. Probably has all the accessories in it, but we'll go ahead and give you guys a little show here. So here's a projector itself. See all your connector ports on the back there. We'll take a closer look at all of that in a bit. The bottom. So we'll go ahead and set this here, and we'll see what's in this little box here. So it seems like you get a AV splitter cable here. So if you're using a Wii or something older, you can still use your AV cables here. You don't have HDMI. Here's the remote controller. Seems pretty standard. Seems nice. You get a HDMI cable right here. Looks to be about 6 feet long. I already have like 20 of these. And the only other thing in the box is a warranty card right here. Just tells you to write down your information. You don't really need this for your warranty. And then you have your power cable right here. So pretty standard. No brick or anything. It's all built into the unit right there. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to take a closer look at our projector right here, and then we'll hook her up. But here we are. We have the projector right here. You can see it has a cap that covers the lens right here. And then you can adjust it out to get the right focus for you. The right focus for you. Probably, somewhere around there. And see, it looks like an IR sensor right here for the remote controller to send information to the projector right there. You can see it says ArtLii down here. It sort of feels metal, but I believe it's plastic. On the bottom here, you have 4 rubber feet, a quality control sticker, a tripod mount if you want to mount this on the wall, and this mystery thing right here. I think this is just to make it, depending on the height that you're doing, so it's something like this. Instead of straight down like this. So just a little leg right there. Snap her back into place. So that's really it for the front. On the side here, looks to have a just some breathing holes here, some breathing gills for cooling and heating. keep it cool. Up here is just some very soft like microfiber. I believe this might cover one of the speakers. Here's the back right here. That's where your power goes. Your on and off button right here. Not sure what that is. Like a little door right here that pops out, it looks like. Over here you have your headphone in. That's your AV splitter right there for those old style cables. HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and 2 USB ports. So you can hook up a USB, probably a computer. You can do that with an HDMI 2, I guess. Different options here. And this is the other side. Looks to have a speaker grill going on over here too. Very soft, as you can see, it like moves around. And then that is the carrying strap. It's a nice leather carrying strap. You can see here, it did seem to pop out, but it looks like it just screws in. You carry it like this. And it's a nice all-in-one unit. So that basically covers everything. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to hook this up to a screen, and we're going to see how good the quality actually is in a slightly dark room, and we'll see about the apps that it has built into it as well. All right, guys, so we're now in the projector room. We have it up on its projector stand right here, and all I'm going to do is just turn it on real quick. Put some batteries in the remote. You can hear her boot up, and then we have it over here on the screen. So first impressions, it looks pretty beautiful. Obviously you have to adjust it to get the best focus for you. You can hear how loud she is. So we're just going to let her do her boot up sequence here, and I'm just going to go through some of the settings with the remote right here, and we will see what this thing's about. So let's see if we can get a better focus in. Alright guys, so here it is. First we're just going to go through some of the settings on here. You can see you have your network settings over there, account and sign in, Bluetooth and remotes, mouse mode. You can also double click the OK button sometimes to go into mouse mode, so you can just move your remote as a mouse. Source, to change the source. We're just using no source because it has its built-in Android TV. You can change the language here. And display mode is kind of interesting to me. Right now it's set to office. As you can see, you can also change it to movie or standard. But when you go into movie mode, the fans actually get quieter. You know, so it doesn't blare during your movie and annoy everyone. Standard, louder, and office is the loudest. So we'll keep it in movie mode for now. I think it might be a little darker, but more, you can see more of the darker elements in the video too. Might be a little worse for the video. Right here you can change your aspect mode. We have it on auto right now. We'll keep it on auto. Can also do the keystone correction, which as you can see on the far left over there, it brings the screen in, up, down, so that it's completely flat on your wall. It's not perfect, but we're just going to keep it as it is right now, and then you can change your up or down now. Over here, go ahead and exit out of that. You can set your zoom right here. We'll keep it as it is, but that is very beautiful actually, that parrot right there, beautiful. Projection mode here, just depending on how you're mounting it, like on a wall, you can set it. Sound, yeah, she's definitely almost all the way up. You can hear date and time, storage, reset, update, device preferences, and about. So this has keyboard, Google Assistant, screensaver, just some basic Android kind of stuff, not really projector specific stuff. So here we are on the main screen right here. As you guys can see, you have your app tab right here, so we'll go ahead and click it. You can see it has a lot of built-in apps already. You guys can see over here you have Disney Plus, File Browser, HBO Max, Hulu. One of my favorites. And by the way, up here at the top you do have the Google Play Store, so you can basically download any app you want. But the iMirror right here is what's cool to me. So when you have this option pulled up, you can just open up your iPhone. And I'll go ahead and do it real quick for the video. You just open up your iPhone right here. You go here and you press screen mirroring, and then you'll click it right here, eShare, and then give it a few seconds. And now my phone is being mirrored. So as you guys can see right here, when I close out of it, close out of here, I open up, you know, YouTube right here, pops up. If I click a video, it starts playing it. As you can see, it's already playing a video, and it switched to the flat view. Go back to your iPhone, scroll through your pages here, you can see it does it all. So I think that's really cool that the screen mirroring actually works like extremely well. I assume it works just as good on an iPhone too, but very fluent. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be that easy. So let's go back to apps here. You have HBO Max, Hulu, Kodi, Keyboard TV, Netflix, Google Play Store, Google Play Movies, Prime Video, YouTube, basically every app you'd want. And of course, me being me, I have YouTube down here, and we're just gonna go ahead and find a video, and we will watch a video. You guys know the no copyright video. That's how we roll. And I am using the Sony a6100 to record this, so hopefully it's pretty crisp. We'll go to City Life. And I'm going to turn the audio down. We'll talk more. Let's find something a little cooler. There was a really nice... I really like these city scenes. There is no audio on these videos. You can see the cars. It's actually very crisp. I'm not sure how well the camera's picking it up, but it's just beautiful. Definitely 1080p. They're not lying about that one. Scroll a bit more. Let's see, it has some more yellows in this more street view right here. Beautiful. It just makes me want to go buy a drone, honestly. Skip a few more, and then we'll go find something with some audio, hopefully. See, this is more of a... I don't know where this is. It's more cold. Absolutely beautiful. You know, not only is the quality beautiful, the audio sounds really good, but the actual built-in Android abilities is amazing. Like, it responds instantly. Everything works extremely well. Load times, when you guys saw me skipping ahead on this 4K video up here. Instantaneous playback. Has a pretty good processor in here. I'm not sure if it says the specifics. I'll put it on the screen if it does. But this thing has a smacking processor for, you know, what it is. You guys see I'll skip way up here. Oh, we got some load times going. See, it's not bad though. It's really not at all. Wow. Absolutely amazing. So we'll go ahead and go back to the main screen here. And I think that really covers just about it. You can type up here. You can speak to it here if you want, I believe. Notifications. Here's the settings again. We already went through those. And the remote basically has everything you'd want it to. So let's go ahead and wrap this thing up. So before we shut the old girl down over here, I'm just going to show you guys the remote right here. Change your input source here, settings, home, back, pages, volume up and down, your selection menus here. But there's this middle one with the symphony key on it. And you press that and that goes into that Bluetooth speaker mode I was telling you guys about. I don't know if you guys heard her, but she kind of... It's an actual, like, lady, probably from the ArtLii manufacturing plant or production facility using her own voice, in my opinion. I think it's insane.
Exiting speaker mode.
This takes really long. I'm not even going to test this out. I just, thought it was interesting.
Speaker mode off.
So here we go, guys. I'm going to go ahead and shut her off. You just turn her off. Let's go to the screen, actually. You can see it says power off, and it does a little Android power off sequence initiated right there. And then she turns off. So I'm actually very impressed with this projector. I think it's a great size. It's a great unit. It has very good speakers. Considering the size of this device, it has very good video quality, and the Android TV 9.0 is actually amazing. Like, it works extremely well. It's very fluent. There's no lag at all. And also that Apple Play, or that AirPlay mirror casting right there, that was insane. It worked extremely well. I've used other mirror casting devices before, and they suck. But this one actually works extremely well. I didn't have to download anything. I just opened my iPhone, pressed AirPlay, boom, we're there. We're in. But overall, for $270 or so, I think this is a great unit. You can put it anywhere. You can bring this to parties. You don't need to bring anything else, a laptop or anything. You just bring this one device with you in your set. We didn't really look at the buttons up here too much. But as you can see, you have a menu button on the left, your same little buttons that are on your remote controller for selection, and a back button there too. However, you can use all these on the remote too, but I did forget to show that. Here's the adjustment dial right there. And here's a quick look at the back and the ports. So we did not end up needing to use, but they are there for you if you want to hook up an Xbox, cable box, anything you want, it's there for you. So there you guys go. If you guys enjoyed this video, you can leave a like down below. If you guys really enjoyed it, you can subscribe to see more of this cool content. If you guys have any questions or comments about this product, leave them down below. I'll get right back to you. And if you guys want to purchase this product, there will be a link down below to do so, an affiliate link. So hope you guys have a good one, and peace out.